Welcome back to Vintage Nook, where timeless interiors meet elegant everyday living. In today's video, we'll explore simple yet beautiful home updates that can instantly elevate your space with a luxurious and sophisticated feel. From cozy lighting ideas to stylish vintage-inspired decor, these easy changes can completely refresh your home without major renovations. So grab your favorite drink, settle in comfortably, and enjoy these inspiring decorating ideas designed to make your home feel warm, elegant, and effortlessly timeless. Refreshing your entryway creates an inviting atmosphere before guests even step inside. Replace outdated rugs with textured runners, add a slim console table, and introduce warm lighting beside decorative mirrors. Small adjustments instantly make the entrance appear brighter, more welcoming, and styled, without requiring expensive renovations or complicated decorating projects. Adding seasonal decorative accents near the entryway strengthens the welcoming atmosphere immediately and beautifully. Place woven baskets, scented candles, or small plants beside entry tables to create warmth and personality naturally indoors. These thoughtful additions make entrances feel organized, inviting, stylish, and visually connected with the overall design throughout your home. Updating dining chairs instantly transforms eating spaces into stylish gathering areas perfect for entertaining guests regularly. Replace mismatched seating with coordinated chairs featuring modern silhouettes, textured fabrics, or warm wooden finishes. Refreshed dining furniture improves comfort and visual harmony, making everyday meals feel elegant, memorable, welcoming, and thoughtfully curated beautifully. Decorating dining tables with simple centerpieces enhances the atmosphere while creating inviting gathering spaces naturally indoors. Arrange candles, flowers, or ceramic bowls neatly to complement dining furniture and surrounding decor beautifully. Thoughtful table styling makes meals feel elegant, memorable, welcoming, and visually refined for both everyday dining and special occasions. Decorative scent elements enhance interiors by combining visual beauty with comforting fragrances throughout the home naturally. Display elegant candles, diffusers, or dried flowers in decorative containers that complement surrounding furniture and accessories attractively. Pleasant aromas create welcoming atmospheres while helping rooms feel calm, luxurious, refreshing, and emotionally comforting every single day beautifully. Choosing seasonal fragrances allows interiors to feel fresh and dynamic throughout changing times of the year effortlessly. Warm vanilla, sandalwood, or cinnamon scents create cozy atmospheres during colder months, while floral and citrus aromas brighten spring and summer interiors naturally. Scent-based styling completes decorative experiences while enhancing comfort, relaxation, and overall home ambience. Creating gallery walls with framed artwork and personal photography instantly adds charm and individuality to blank interiors. Combine vintage paintings, black and white portraits, and minimalist prints using balanced arrangements. This decorative approach introduces storytelling elements while making hallways, staircases, and living rooms feel sophisticated, expressive, and visually engaging effortlessly. Using consistent frame styles and balanced spacing improves the overall appearance of gallery walls significantly indoors. Arrange artwork carefully by combining different sizes and shapes while maintaining visual harmony throughout the display naturally. Thoughtfully organized gallery walls create elegant focal points that feel personal, artistic, sophisticated, and beautifully curated every single day. Refreshing bathroom accessories instantly improves comfort and elegance without requiring expensive remodeling projects. Replace outdated soap dispensers, towels, and shower curtains with coordinated designs featuring soft textures and calming colors. Small decorative upgrades create luxurious hotel-inspired atmospheres, helping bathrooms appear cleaner, brighter, organized, and more sophisticated every single day. Adding decorative storage solutions also enhances functionality while maintaining beautiful visual balance throughout bathrooms. Introduce woven baskets, floating shelves, or glass containers for neatly organizing toiletries and essentials attractively. Stylish organization minimizes clutter while creating relaxing spaces that feel peaceful, polished, inviting, and thoughtfully arranged for everyday convenience naturally. Open shelving combines storage and decoration while showcasing favorite household items attractively throughout interiors. Arrange ceramics, books, glassware, and decorative accessories using balanced groupings that maintain clean visual organization naturally. Thoughtfully styled shelves create depth and personality, helping kitchens and living rooms appear elegant, organized, airy, and beautifully curated daily. Maintaining consistent color palettes across shelving displays improves harmony and visual balance significantly indoors. Mix neutral tones with natural textures or metallic accents to create sophisticated decorative arrangements that feel intentional comfortably. Organized shelving prevents clutter while allowing decorative objects to stand out gracefully, enhancing overall home aesthetics effortlessly. Warm lighting creates inviting atmospheres while enhancing comfort throughout every room within the home beautifully. Replace harsh white bulbs with soft warm tones that highlight textures, furniture and decorative accessories naturally indoors. Gentle lighting improves ambience instantly, helping interiors feel relaxing, cozy, elegant, intimate and visually balanced during evenings comfortably. Layering multiple light sources improves functionality while creating depth and sophistication within interior spaces effectively. Combine table lamps, pendant fixtures, and wall sconces strategically to illuminate different areas with balanced brightness beautifully. Layered lighting arrangements provide flexibility for daily activities while transforming ordinary rooms into stylish environments filled with warmth and charm. Refreshing outdoor spaces extends comfort and style beyond interior rooms while improving overall home appeal naturally. Introduce weather-resistant cushions, lanterns, and potted plants to create welcoming patios or balconies for relaxation comfortably. Thoughtful outdoor styling transforms simple exterior areas into cozy retreats perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying peaceful evenings. Layering outdoor textures and decorative accessories enhances visual warmth while maintaining practical functionality beautifully. Combine woven furniture, wooden accents, and soft lighting to create balanced spaces connected harmoniously with nature outdoors. Stylish exterior updates increase relaxation while making outdoor living areas appear elegant, comfortable, inviting, and thoughtfully designed every season. Upgrading cabinet hardware offers one of the easiest ways to modernize kitchens and bathrooms quickly. Swap basic handles with matte black brushed brass or vintage-inspired designs to create stronger personality. These subtle replacements instantly refresh cabinetry, making older furniture and storage spaces appear custom-made, polished, and more expensive. Choosing hardware finishes that complement surrounding decor creates stronger visual harmony throughout kitchens and bathrooms naturally. Match cabinet handles with faucets, lighting fixtures, or decorative accents to achieve balanced styling effortlessly. Coordinated details make storage areas appear intentional, modern, elegant, and professionally designed without requiring major renovations or expensive upgrades. Replacing outdated bedding transforms bedrooms into relaxing sanctuaries filled with comfort and elegance. Choose layered duvets, crisp cotton sheets, and decorative pillows featuring soothing colors that complement surrounding furniture. Fresh bedding arrangements instantly improve visual harmony, making sleeping spaces appear luxurious, organized, and thoughtfully designed for everyday relaxation and tranquility. Layering bedroom textiles enhances comfort while creating rich visual depth throughout sleeping spaces naturally indoors. Combine soft blankets, textured cushions, and upholstered headboards using calming tones for a luxurious atmosphere effortlessly. Coordinated bedroom styling transforms ordinary rooms into peaceful retreats that feel elegant, cozy, organized, and thoughtfully decorated every evening. Thank you so much for spending time with Vintage Nook today. I hope these elegant and easy decorating ideas inspired you to refresh your home with timeless style and cozy luxury. Let me know in the comments which inspiration was your favorite, or share your own decorating tips and ideas as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future home decor inspiration from Vintage Nook.